Ladies and gentlemen, here he is, Harris Puppets. I used to be one with nature, oh now. I used to be one with nature, oh. I'm walking on sunshine, way-oh. I'm walking on sunshine, way-oh. I'm walking on sunshine, way-oh. And I feel good, hey, hey, ha 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 ha. Hey, hey, ha 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 ha. I used to be one with nature, so now. And when I know now, so now. I'm walking on sunshine, way-oh. I'm walking on sunshine, way-oh. I'm walking on sunshine, way-oh. And I feel good. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's show. It's really amazing. It's really great. And here she is, Breeze. All around the world, are you ready for a brand new beat? Summer's here and the time is right. We're dancing in the street, Chicago, the street. Down to New Orleans, the street. In New York City, all we need is music, sweet music. There'll be music everywhere. There'll be swinging playing, and records playing, dancing in the street. It doesn't matter what you wear, just as long as you are there. So come on, grab a girl. Everyone around the world will be playing, dancing in the street, dancing in the street, dancing in the street. This is an invitation across the nation, a chance to folks to meet. And we swinging, playing, and records playing, dancing in the street, Philadelphia, PA, in New York City. All we need is music, sweet music. There'll be music everywhere. There'll be swinging, playing, and records playing, dancing in the street. Oh, it doesn't matter what you wear, just as long as you are there. So come on, grab a girl. Everyone around the world is be playing, dancing in the street. I bet you enjoyed it, huh? Everybody, watch this. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them all for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I see skies of blue, clouds of white, bright summer day. So say goodnight. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow are pretty to see. Beautiful here for you and me. I see trees of green, happiness too. I love them all for me and you. I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them all for me and you. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Moving on, it's a groove thing, it's a groove thing, the dancing now, it's a groove thing, it's a groove thing, the dance now, the dance now, wanna know, wanna know. It's a groove thing, and a groove thing, the dance now, more. What do you think? Was that enough for you? What do you think? So, Hey, Louie, Louie. Whoa, no, we gotta go. Ha 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 ha. Louie, Louie. Oh, we gotta go. He, ho, ha ha ha. We go. Louie, Louie. Oh, we gotta go. Ha 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 ha. Louie, Louie. Oh, we gotta go. We, we, go. Louie, Louie. Oh, we gotta go. And watch this. You said I couldn't dance, and now I really can dance. Do you love me? I'm in the groove. Do you love me? I'm in the groove. Do you love me? I'm in the groove. Now that I can dance. Watch me now, baby. Work, go home with me, baby. Work, oh, you're driving me crazy. Work, go home with me, baby. Work. I can mash potato, I can do the twist, Tell me baby, do you like it like this? Tell me, oh yeah, do you love me? I'm in the groove, do you love me? I'm in the groove, do you love me? I'm in the groove. Now that I can dance, now work at me, baby, work, oh, you're driving me crazy, work. Let's see, that's all the time we have for today. It's a great show, amazing, and amazing. And maybe next time we can get rid of Kalia. And I'll let you all call your boyfriends and girls you just saw. Anyway, we'll see you next time for another Hearts Puppet Show.